Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the episode of Shoe Game. It is me, your boy Finest. I know I shaved, so I look a little different. Happy New Year. I'm recording this, it's January 4th. But by the time this drops, it won't be January. It probably won't even be February. But yeah, I'm filming this New Year, so appreciate you guys for sticking with me, staying tuned. So today, what I have for you guys is I showed you the Jordan 4 Fire Reds, and this is the only other of Jordan 4 I have is the metallic purple. I'm gonna eventually get all of the metallics to have the set, but I have the metallic purple. As you can see, there's the front, the purple Jordan, the tongues purple with Jordan, the inside's purple. I like this shoe. I only have 2 Jordan 4s. But they are big. They're a big shoe, so they're kind of heavy. But you know, if you're just walking around, it's not that big of a deal. But they are a little heavier. The inside, I like the insides. They're comfortable. They're comfortable to me. I got flat feet, so they're comfortable to me. They retail for $190. They came out May 20th, 2020, and the size 12 is reselling for like $520 right now. And this is a size 12, so they're reselling for $520. So the 4s do increase in value pretty well. Hasn't even been a full year, and it's already over 2 times the retail price. But here's the other one. So y'all stay tuned. I actually got 2 new shoes that I just got, so I'm gonna get to those. But I have 3 shoes that I have waiting to do a review on that I've had, and then once I get through those, I'll show you guys my new shoes that I got. But stick with me. I've been slacking on posting consistently, but I have a thumb drive of episodes I'm going to drop, so you guys stay tuned. Stay tuned for more episodes, and we'll catch you guys next time.